Hello. How's it going? Let's see, what are we working on today? Working on I'm gonna work on the museum or the visitor center. All right, so I started doing a prototype of how these little dioramas are gonna look, and I think it's kind of cool. I made these like wavy railings because I saw them on the street, and I'm like, oh, those are cool railings. I should just put those in the game. But I don't think they fit the style. They're just too thin, and they don't match this like staging area. So I think I'm going to. I think I'm going to make different ones. I might repurpose these somewhere else in the game, but unfortunately they don't fit here. So maybe that's the first thing I'll do. And I really don't think I have to change much. I just have to make them not wavy and thicker. And then I'm good. But the true question is, did I make it? Or did I freeze the history? Can I undo it? Probably not. I think I froze the history. So that's definitely frozen. Damn it. This is unfrozen. Ah, there it is. Okay, perfect. Okay, so it's you, and you. These are the live ones. So how can I make it fit the game a little better? It would be good to have the stage next to it as well. Hey, Augie. How's it going? All right, so thankfully I left this one. I left this live, so I can technically do that. And I can technically do this. Does that improve it, like, immediately? Not really. Deciding if I want to take a break after the 14-hour marathon or use my last brain cell to add eyeballs and bones to my humans. I think taking a break is good. But you reminded me I need to add blinks to my characters. It's time. It's time they were able to blink. Can I just do this? Make everything thicker? Does that make it fit the game better? Not really. Need to figure out a better way to model the eyes. I can't really add expressions to them. What's your current method? You have an eyeball and an eyelid mesh on top of each other. Right, and you want to make different shapes. Well, you can still do blend shapes. You can do blend shapes and add expression detail. I feel like would be that bad. Ooh, can I add a round cap to this? Round cap on. Oh, why does it do that? That's lame. 3. Should I just make this? Should I just make this all more subdivisions? I should. And this should be 90. I have an yeah, I guess I just need to add more shape keys. My single open close shape key is not enough. But at least my menu now has controller support. Nice. Nice. I heard you talking about that on Finsifty's stream. Good job. Good shit. Yeah, this is chunkier and cuter for sure. This was too thin. Too thin. Saw you on Adam's stream yesterday. Yeah, he was very generous to play for as long as he did. How long did he play, actually? How long did he play for? Let's see. I was a little embarrassed because right after he played, a whole conversation sparked as to whether or not he should charge for reviews. So he started playing at 2:05 and he played, holy shit. And he stopped at 2:50. He played for 45 minutes. That's pretty good. I would pay him. Yeah, I think his advice is worth, being paid for. But he would put it on YouTube and not on Twitch, which is interesting because his YouTube is huge. So you're almost paying for like visibility as well. But I was happy to just get his feedback just with no viewers. It's fine. And he's kind of convinced me that I really need to step up and refactor my interaction system. It's terrible and confusing. I don't know. That's like a 2-month project, I feel like. If I wanted to redo my whole input system. Yeah, 2 months at least. That's why I keep putting it off. It's because I don't want to spend 2 months doing that. All right, this is better. This is better. Let's see how this goes. Duplicate. Probably won't ask him for feedback until the public demo. Yeah. Give him something fully realized and playable that he can spend at least 30 minutes on. Okay, so this is my default straight. Now, let's duplicate that. Put this here. Oh, that's so annoying. I hope he comes up with the number to pay him by then. For a minecart? No, this is so in the visitor center. I have these little like natural history museum displays, and I just want to put a railing around them, a decorative railing. So I have this little this like info panel that when you walk up to it, it's gonna tell you the collection of photographs you've taken. So this represents a zone in the forest, right? This is like the meadow, and these are all the things in the meadow you can take a photo of. Beetles, green butterflies, and these 3 kinds of trees. So each biome, each zone is going to have its own biome with stuff that you can photograph. And those things that are photographable will show up in this natural history museum styled display. Yeah, I mean, sort of like the Animal Crossing museum. It's the only reason why it's a little different, I guess, is because you're not catching stuff and then releasing the live stuff there, which theoretically is cuter. This is just statues and photos. That's out of scope. Out of scope for me, you know? Just a little guy. Just one little guy. How many people worked on Animal Crossing? I wonder. And still working on it every day. Whoa, what was that? What is this, witchcraft? What witchcraft? What is this witchcraft? Why won't it align? Negative 100. What? This is 0, 0. And it's 100 units wide. This is at 100, negative 100. Oh, whoops. Whoops. Wait a minute. If I zero this out. Negative 100, 100, 90 degrees. Why doesn't this... Oh, there we go. bending the models and stuff. I would have had to do this with splines and engine. Um, it's probably smarter to do this with splines and engine, honestly. If I had a spline deformer, I would do that. But my whole style is like tile sets. So I'm kind of keeping that as a design choice to just keep making tile sets of stuff. And I'm hoping that if I just keep that language, there there might be something cohesive looking. You know, I don't want to confuse people by having two kinds of styles. Um, well, now that's going to bug the hell out of me is this railing being a different curvature value. But it has to be. Does it have to be? I don't know. Let me see. Let me see something. If I move this back over to the center. No. If I move these back over. And then this bend deformer. It would have to be double. Exactly double. And then what does the inner corner look like? So yeah, it doesn't work because then I need the inner corner to just like stop on a dime. Hmm. How weird does it look currently? Because it currently is already like that. It's not that bad. This wiggliness is throwing it off though. Kara's Hess, how's it going? I think it's okay. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Let's make an inner corner now. The squiggly one? I just feel like the style is just not right. It's too thin and flimsy, and I don't like the wiggling pattern up against the straight stage. So what I'm gonna do is just make it straight and thicker, but maybe I'll use the squiggly one for something else. I'm not sure. Well, that doesn't work. The hell? Why doesn't rotating that one in just a different direction work? Oh, so stupid. There we go. Okay. Beautiful. Okay, so I have an inner corner, an outer corner. And then Munez, how's it going? And then I need an end cap. Well, I guess the end cap could just be the same exact thing, except now it rotates down? Yep. You making rails to grind? Hells yeah. People hate me in Alpine Lake, especially Vic. I'm trying to chat. They're not saying anything. I'm getting stuck forever in awkward cutscene. Wait, what? What's going on with your what's going on now? Oh my god, why do you have so many issues that I've never heard or seen of before? Caveman crafting, how's it going? Yeah, I wonder what's going on. I haven't even started properly. What cutscene are you getting stuck in? Wait, the hell? The hell? Oh, weird. Wait a minute. Inner corner? Outer corner? Who are you? Are you also outer corner? Yeah. All right. So this is. You'll record? All right. Thank you. Working on sorting out the last minor bugs. My in-game compass. Oh man, I'm familiar with compasses. Spent like 3 days on a compass. All right, this should be done. So it's you and you. Come with me. It's gonna be called railing thick. End cap. Got stuff in for the cardinal directions and now building out a manager for it. For adding and removing markers for missions and NPCs. Yeah, that sounds like a lot of work. That sounds like a lot of work. Rosamu. Or Rosam. Sorry. How's it going? Welcome in. Do you pronounce the moo at the end? Or is it just Rosam? Anyway, welcome in. How you doing? Doing okay. I'm doing all right. I'm doing all right. I'm enjoying this nice rainy day. I love it when it rains. Okay, are these all my pieces that I need? Darkwood Dragon, how's it going? Oh, I just realized I had the music so loud. When I first started, it was just me. So I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna blast the music. Why not? And then I always forget to turn it down. What are we working on today? Today I'm working on this. Isn't it obvious? No, I'm doing a railing for the museum. I'm finally filling out the visitor center, not the museum. You were enjoying the music? I'm sorry. You know, I'll just shut up and you can crank your speakers. You can hear? All right. So maybe I'll make it a little louder. All right. So I had a little bit of an epiphany last stream where I didn't know what I was gonna do with this like photo collection system. Originally, I just had these like lame, like just I don't know. I don't even know what these were. These are just ways to display photos that you've taken in the game. And these diamonds too were just like little. They just represented little statues that you've collected. I guess this can still be gem collection stuff. But so what I came up with last time was a natural history museum style display of the stuff found in the forest that you're photographed. And this will also act as like a way to track your collection. So you'll be able to come up to this little placard and it'll basically say like, you know, you've taken 3 of the 5 photos in this area. There's so that'll be fun. And these don't show up unless you've photographed them. So I have a little system here that tracks like, hey, was this photo taken? If not, you know, do this. If it was taken, do that. So that's what I'm working on today. I'm just doing some decorations. So these are some modular pieces. These got a little squished. This got a little squish. Whoops. Let me fix that. Okay, that's better. Do you mind if there's audio for Grumble's stream in the background? Forgot to mute. Of course I don't mind. Everyone should have Grumble's stream in the background. Honestly, what are you doing here? Double screening. I do that too. There's no shame in double screening. All right, let's see what you came up with. Let's see what's going on. Load game. Well, there's your biggest mistake is to think that a game would save properly and load properly. Oh, I love this. That's very useful. Wow. You had this up on the last one too, I remember. Yeah, Birch doesn't want to talk. She never wants to talk. Chat? Yeah. Oh. I see. You're stuck in an infinite dialogue loop. Okay, yeah, that's a known bug, actually. I thought I got rid of those temporarily, though. Okay. Thank you for that. I swear I got rid of those, but I guess not. I guess not. Cobra, how's it going? Okay, that's fixed. They all look fine. CBB could be better, but moving on. FLT, how's it going? That probably isn't what I think it looked like now. It's very not. It's very benign. Wait, what? Reset. Oh, object. Whoa, what happened? Why is this over here? What the hell? My pivot got all messed up. What happened to my pivot? If I zero this out. Oh, wait, I zero this out. Weird. This one's okay. Yeah, it should be right behind that thing. All right, let's get this in the game. Should be much better. UVs, though. What color should it be? I didn't mind the color that it was, so I'll leave that. Doing more Maya a little bit. I'm going to jump back and forth today. So this is railing thick end cap. This is railing thick corner. Railing thick inner corner. And railing thick, straight. How's it going? It's doing okay. It's doing okay. You ever done shape keys for an entire face? Yeah. Yeah, I've done blend shapes for faces before. This is actually going to take me all night. They're not easy. Visitor center decorations. Okay. Shit. Where'd they all go? Oops. Oops. Please just pop back. Please just pop back. Hells yeah. Oh my god. Good for you, Unity. I'm proud of you for working. That was a scary moment. Select straight. So I want this to be thick straight. Yep. Railing inner corner. Railing thick inner corner. Railing outer corner. Thick corner. Oops. It definitely fits the game better. I don't like the color though. I don't like how this color and this color are kind of the same but kind of different. It's because this is metallic. That's easy to fix though. What if I make it like a neon green? You have a good template. I think I can follow. There's like 54 of them, but I can stream 256 parameters if I want. That's a lot of, wait, 54 of what? 54 shapes that you need to make? That's a lot. Is it because you're trying to do the mouth movements with like AI or something? Just got the Quest Pro. Nice. Do I like that? Not really. Not really. I should make 2 caps. Did everyone have a nice weekend? I had a very, very active weekend. I didn't even touch my computer on Sunday. That does not happen often. Very rare. Ooh, perfect. Perfect fit. Look at that. Okay, is this better? Now it looks like Mario Warp Zones, but the thickness is nice. The shape is better. It's possible that I don't like the metal, and it's possible that I don't like the color. Let's try shiny. Shiny matte. Okay. Need to find a better color. Don't make it brown. Don't make it brown. Let's try a dark blue. It's 5 o'clock. Nope. Oh, yeah, now it just looks like pipes. That's frustrating. All right, let's try multicolored. Let's try multicolored. So UV shells. Okay, so these things are going to be a color. Oh, wait. Okay, so these things are going to be a color, right? Great. And then these things are going to be another color. And then the rest of the railings, which will be a third color? Let's make this something super light. Nope. Maybe grayscale. Maybe it's okay to do grayscale. I want my personal virtual avatar to have all the eye and face tracking. I got it on another, but this will be very custom. Should have a super anime realistic expression with this new headset. Hey, Grumble, how's it going? How you doing? Nice stream today. Nope, I hate it. I hate it. I hate it. Why do I hate this so much? I'm so bad at picking out colors for stuff. I'm just like frantically, does this work? No. Does this work? No. Does this work? No. Maybe them all being on top of each other doesn't help. Wait, what am I doing? There we go. This should help me color them way better. Okay. All right, I hate it less. Just Just doing that. They have a weird shape to them. I wish I can not show selection highlighting. It's so annoying. Like if you have faces selected, it just has to show you like these highlights. I just want nothing. Is there a way to turn that off? Thank you for the hydrate. I very much needed that. Ooh, what if this was yellow? No. Horrible. What if this was black or super dark green? No. What if... This is driving me nuts. All right, this one's going to be super dark green. This one's going to be slightly less green. Okay, I don't hate that. What if that one's a little lighter? Nope, that's dumb. This OSC controller can handle both send and receive. I wonder if I could parameter swap someone in the same scene as me. I don't see why not. Also, just in case anyone doesn't already follow Grumble, make sure you do. Make sure you do. They have a great stream where if you redeem review my game, they'll look at it and go, this isn't my kind of game. I don't like it. I wouldn't play this. This new tracking stuff is wild. Yeah, tracking stuff is wild. You know, you used to need these insane tracking setups. Oh, actually, this side I kind of like. Okay, okay. Used to need these insane tracking setups to get like the crappiest of mocap. And then the Kinect came out, and the Kinect allowed you to get like something decent. And then it was just a race. All right, this might be as far as I want to take it. Mocap is shit. I mean, sometimes you got to do mocap. What do you mean? I do mocap all the time in commercials. Done. We're done. It does kind of bother me that this curvature is not the same, but at the same time, it doesn't. I mean, you're talking, yeah, you're talking about for VR. It's some, I think we're talking about different things. Val, hi, Val. How's it going? All right, so this stuff is in. I'm gonna test it. I haven't tested it yet. I can record dances and drop them onto avatars in Unity if I wanted to. Do you have like trackers for all of your, like for your feet and stuff? Just reworking more things? Yeah, I saw you were reworking some stuff. I hear the word refactor on your stream a lot. I don't know. What did I do? I feel like I like the thinner one better now. Just looks like Mario like sewer pipes. All right. Why are you awake? Fal is. I've learned not to ask this question anymore. Fal has a sleep schedule that's kind of like me. All right, let's go. Let's go take a gander at it. So when I go in there, there should be nothing visible because I haven't taken any photos. Let me give myself a camera. Tool camera. Ooh, I remember my tool, my thing that I made. Give item now. Sick. So when I go in here, there should be nothing there. Gonna go into our new, yeah, look at that. Nothing's here. Nothing's here except me. I'm gonna go take a photo now of a pine tree. Hopefully there is one. There is, okay, there's a few. Young pine. Excuse me. All right, we got a young pine tree and a medium or a prime pine. And if I go back in here, it's not going to show up. But I can now talk to Jeff. Reset. Add all quests. I can show shutterbugging. Or is it cataloging? Capturing the wild. Set to active. Okay, so if capture the wild is set to active. Wait, why can't I reach him? I was able to reach him before. Hey there, my name is Jeff. Capturing the wild. Got anything new for me? Yep. Wait, what is this? A young pine tree. Okay. Capture the wild. Got anything new for me? Yup. A prime pine tree. Great. Now, they still don't show up here. What you got to do is fast forward a day. HTC never originally made them for VR. It took a crazy person to buy three $300 trackers they use in CGI and figure it out. Rest has been history with lighthouses and dedicated trackers. Don't turn into me. I think Fal stays up way later than you, Grumble. See, I already know you're nodding off, but struggling to watch because you're that interested. But I know you're going to cave and go to bed soon. All right, so we waited a day and we go back. You've got an hour or two left in you. Fal, I actually thought you just stayed up all night. So we go back and boom, the 2 trees showed up. That's cool. Okay, I want a cutscene. I want a cutscene that shows off the new stuff that's here. Is that out of scope right now? It would take me like 30 minutes to set it up a system. Do I want to spend that 30 minutes on a little cutscene? I don't know. I don't know. So, yeah, I don't think I want to actually. So yeah, Farming Fest is over. Farming Fest is over. And if anyone saw my latest tweet, you'd know that we had a good time. Farming Fest was good. 25% of my, or a 20, I got a 25% increase in wish lists over the past 7 days from the whole 6 months that, or 7 months that it's been on this, that the Steam page has been live. I mean, I thought I was doing well, and then I just saw a bunch of like celebratory posts from other cozy games from Farm Fest, and then I felt down again. But I can't compare, you know. Their games look beautiful. I know this game. I know what this game looks like. It looks like one person made it with some assets from an asset store, and it has poor art direction. I know this. I'm doing my best though. I'm doing my best. I'm hoping that people realize that the gameplay is actually good, and they'll forgive the poor art direction. Progress. You're right. Progress is progress, and I just gotta. It's okay. I couldn't have asked for. Okay, I could have asked for more, but I didn't get nothing, so that's good. If I would have gotten nothing, then that would have been a sign, but I didn't get nothing. Zynga Games was made by Farmville? What? You mean Farmville was made by Zynga? Oh, you mean like the whole company was made from that one game? Yeah. Well, it wasn't dumb. Like they figured out a very addicting formula. You never know when your game will take off. Um, it's true. You can't see it coming when it happens. I just feel like, you know, I've been marketing this game for a long time. I feel like if it was going to happen, it might have happened already, or I need to do a visual overhaul to like make it more interesting. Does anybody know of like an asset for better skies? Like I hate this HDR I'm using. It's fine. It's just I want a dynamic sky. I need a Unity asset that's a nice dynamic sky. And I want to remove some of the fog. It's too foggy when it rains. I don't like it. Too foggy. Where's my weather system? Summer rain, winter snow. 0.02. I'll say 0.0125. Fog density 125. I just realized I don't have springtime. I have summer, fall, and winter. I don't have spring. Whoops. Is that an oversight? I think I just have it so that when it is spring, just use summer. Okay, when you add go live notifications to Discord, you have to use them. I don't know how to. I thought I set it up. Okay, let's look at this together. Oh, right. It's because the bot doesn't have access to that channel. Let me give the bot access to that channel. So announcements, edit channel, permissions. Private channel, no. Send messages. Roles. How do I... Dino. Okay. Save. Escape. I think it'll work now. I think Dino can do it now. What up, Vin? You have to wait 49 minutes and 49 seconds before I can give... Oh, Fallon here. I try to give you 2 shout-outs. Like, why is it... All right, we're going to give Vin Sifty a nice shout-out because they have a nice stream. You should go follow them for nice stuff. Finn does have a nice stream. He thinks that everyone's favorite part is when he leaves and puts up the word game. That's not technically true. I was harassed into despair for an hour this morning. Yeah, some of your peeps, they push your buttons. Okay. So that's not so bad. I'm gonna make a cave one now. Everyone insisted I go download a Chrome extension for dark mode. Yeah, that one was annoying. The whole dark mode thing, because I don't mind light things, but people on Twitch, if they're one of the kinds of person, if they're the kind of person that only likes dark mode, anything light mode will set them off. So you got to make sure to dark mode everything. You got to give into it. Although there's nothing you could do for some websites. I'm not downloading a Chrome plugin just so I can auto dark mode certain websites. And then it wouldn't work because I use Chromium, right? To be fair, evening and night in the US and Europe. That's true. I don't know. I don't know. Everyone's got their preferences. It's fine. It's totally fine to have preferences. Snow interior. What is this? Falling leaves. How come I don't use this? I need to use this eventually. Okay. What's next? Cave. Load scene. Okay, and I need to organize this way better. I should have got it ages ago anyway. The sad part is they were right. Yeah, chat's always right. Chat's always right. So this is the meadow biome group. Oh yeah, and I have to make this work. I have to make that work. Where is this? So this is the what is it? The terrain? I don't know. What's the word for props that are... They're decorations, but they're like, I guess they're just decorations. No, it's terrain. It's terrain. So we have the terrain and the photos. Photo props. So this is the terrain. Front desk. Kind of hate this, but whatever. Konnichiwa, Meripon. How's it going? Konnichiwa. Flower is red. Oh, right. So this is just... You're fighting with Blender, Rigify, Unity, animation workflow. It's killing me. You sound like Cobra. What are you having issues with? Tell me about it. I don't use Blender, Rigify, but maybe I can help. Bake. Oh yeah, so I need to make this system too. So I'll just make this the cave for now. Cave biome. All right, the cave biome is going to have a lot of stuff in it, so it's going to be this whole room. Let's see. Well, that's the issue, really. I wanted to make an easy-to-animate rig for the character, so I can add animations easily to Unity. Rigify is great, but you can't import that directly into Unity because it will break the mechanism. So you need to generate another game rig that is driven by Rigify. And that is what you import into Unity to drive the animations. Okay, I think I know exactly the issue you're having. Does Rigify create a rig that's not a single joint chain? Does it utilize parent constraints and have separate groups for like the different limbs and shit? Because what you can do is you can make a game skeleton and constrain it to the Rigify rig. And then it's an easy like just export the game rig, you know? Shouldn't be that bad. Theoretically, you don't need a single joint chain. Unity just doesn't love it. But it isn't a simple task. I had to download a whole add-on, read documentation, watch tutorials just to get it to follow the game. I see. So that was the frustrating part, is doing that. I need to be more sensitive. It's funny because Unity's actually even more forgiving than Unreal when it comes to that kind of stuff. Ooh, Unreal is a pain in the ass to get animation in. I appreciate at least that in Unity you can just like animate a group and it'll come in. Unreal is like everything needs to be a skeleton. Mr. Murd, how's it going? Oh, I love modular pieces that snap together. It's so satisfying. Actually, this inner corner, what am I doing? So I'm gonna delete this. Okay, yeah. Okay, cool. Oh, this is gonna be so satisfying. Are you ready? Are you ready? Oh, the way they snap. Yeah, but Unreal just released some new animation features in their newest update, didn't they? I don't know. I don't keep up with that anymore. I don't have time to pine over new features in software that I don't use often. I worked with Unreal for like 2 years. Don't love it. I actually I do enjoy working in it. I just much prefer Unity. All right, so this is the cave. That means we need a cave floor, not this grass floor. What is this area you're building? This is the visitor center. So I'm finally building it out a little bit. Finally, am I right? Whoa, why is the Y value 43 units in the air? What are you doing up there? What? Oh no, that's rotation. I'm so stupid. So what shows up here? Well, we have bats, spiders, and bears. And I'll need some other photographable things. Let's grab this stuff. Did you end up going to that indie game dev meetup in Tokyo? It's so there's two now. I found another one. One of them that I'm not going to go to is tomorrow. But the one that I am going to go to is next Wednesday. Because the one tomorrow, it's a little more of like a hangout session. And the one next week is like, I don't know, maybe more focused on people's projects, people showing off stuff. So I don't know. I might go to the one like the one tomorrow reoccur is like every month. So I might just go to that next time. We'll see. Craving any American food yet? Oh yeah. I've been eating American food every once in a while, like burgers and stuff. I'm gonna dangle this from the ceiling with a piece of string. It's gonna be great. That's great. I like that a lot. I got to figure out how to pose them without the animation like taking over. I don't think I need this. Remove. Move. Did you have a good golden week? You enjoy your time off if you got any? This is so weird. I have this variable here. It's just a base object type. If I put something other than a photo, it says object must be photographs. Why didn't I just make it a photo? I don't understand why I did that. And I looked through the code for like a second. I'm like, yeah, I still don't understand why I did this. No idea. You did family stuff, went to the park and all that jazz. That sounds nice. I went to a couple of street fairs. Got some fun fried foods. This guy's huge. Gotta put him over here. I need to rework this bear a bit. He's a little boring. Okay. We're almost done with this. Put this in prime. All right, so now I need to hook up these little info cards. Does that mean I need another GUI? No, I want to make another GUI. I don't want to make another GUI. Oh, the music ran out. That was fast. What should we listen to? Something energetic and fun? Or something boring and soothing? I always tend to go for boring and soothing, but I know you guys don't like boring and soothing. That's a lot of stuff open. Wait, what? I haven't been to Tokyo in a long while, but there's a barbecue place that serves the best smoked baby back ribs in Tokyo. It's called Hatos Bar in Nakameguro. Let's look it up. Let's look it up. Tiny little hole in the wall, but it's finger licking good. Oh wow, look at that. I was just here yesterday. Oh, I know exactly where that is. There's a yoga studio right here. Yeah, this is good. I walked past this yesterday actually. They look pretty good. That does look good. Okay. I'll check it out. Nice. There's like a burger patty place. It's not a burger place, but they make like a burger patty and they just like put a whole wheel of brie cheese on it. It's like right here. I never know what anything's called. Bistro K, is that it? No, that's not it. You used to live right next to Ibiza Station? Nice. I was at the bookstore, this Sutaya bookstore yesterday. They're having like a pop-up shop. We kind of come here a lot actually. You can see when you can see where all the pins are where we hang out. We hang out here, here, and here, and here. That's the nice one. Yeah, it's like three different buildings. It's cool. Oh, there was a crazy art show. There was a crazy art show we went to in Harajuku. Oh, what was it called? It was like a pop-up art show. Where was it? Let me look it up. But like a famous Instagram artist was there. Here it is. Yeah, Momiji. Mao Momiji. So this artist had a pop-up shop in just like this random store, and I didn't know who this was, and it caught my wife's eye because like yeah, it was basically right here, and we saw this, and we're like, that's cute. So she went inside, and apparently he's like this, very popular artist. And she bought one of his paintings, and they freaked the hell out. They like he basically had maybe a 30 or 40 paintings on the wall, and he had three left. And she really liked one of the remaining three, so she bought it. And the artist, came outside. He like ran outside, announced something in Japanese. I don't know what it was. He ran back inside, and everyone was cheering and yelling and screaming, and my wife had no idea what was going on. They were basically celebrating the fact that she bought one, and there was like dancing, and they were taking photos and selfies, and like and my wife's really shy, so she's just like, oh my god, what is happening? No. She got a really good painting though. But it's really cute stuff. Like it's a lot of food art, but food with characters. And it's watercolor and colored pencil. It's really cute. That was fun. Yeah, this it's adorable. It's adorable. This is the one she got because she loves flowers and our dog. Anyway, yeah, I had a very very busy weekend. Like I said, I didn't even touch the computer once. We were just out walking, shopping, eating. And then we went to the Kill Bill restaurant last night for dinner. It's kind of terrible. Show us the dog. She's under me right now. She's in a cone. I'll show you the latest photo I took of her. Oh boy. One sec. Let me curate. This is her. We were just at Tokyo Tower walking around. Yeah, yeah, the one in Roppongi. It was pretty lame actually. That restaurant. I can see how it could be fun with like a big group, but the food, it's not worth it for the food. It's like fun. But my wife and I, we weren't like there for fun. We were actually just kind of like tired and hungry. And it was the kind of place where they just like yell at the top of their lungs, like, welcome. Oh my God. Like the whole staff yells at the top of their lungs, welcome. And it's not just like a normal, like everyone says welcome when you walk in. It was like screaming loud. Have you done the robot restaurant? The robot restaurant's closed. Did they reopen? So these are garbage now. I'm just gonna hide them for now. I'm just gonna hide them for now. And these, what can I put in these for now? Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's closed. Robot restaurant, Tokyo. Yeah, this isn't it. The popular robot restaurant in Shinjuku is confirmed closed. That was last year. Because they closed for COVID. They closed for COVID and never reopened. Ah. Yeah. Did you enjoy that place? Robot restaurant was to Japan what medieval times is to America. Yeah. Yeah, that's what I've been told. It's basically medieval times. It's like a mix between medieval times and like Moulin Rouge. Like a more safe version. It was nuts. Yeah, that's what I've been told. It's too late. It's gone. I was here when it was open. Um, my first, my first and my second time visiting. But I don't know. I just didn't get to it. Just so much to do. All right, let's hook up these things. So here what I need to do is I basically want a little window that says you've taken this many photos out of this many photos. Maybe I can throw a display up. Like maybe it can be a dialogue. Maybe it could just be a dialogue. It doesn't have to be like a whole GUI. And it'll just say you've taken X out of X photos. Hmm. How should I do it? I can speedrun another GUI, which would be annoying. As long as you remember how to implement it later if you make any changes. No. You can't make me. At least the scene is organized now. That makes me feel better. Why do I have a cutscene here? This is garbage now. Ah, new GUI. Then I got to design it. And I got to figure out what information I want on it. New GUI. No, no, don't make me do a new GUI. I don't want to make a new GUI. Make it awesome? I can't. I can't. Ganbaru. Ganbare. Ganbare. Hi. Hi. Shimasu. Are you winning? Nah. Oh, gambare. Gambare is an order? It's not gambate. Can you tell me why it's le and not te? Gambate. Because I understand using te is like commands, making commands with verbs. Tai is like suggesting the need or want to do that verb. What is gambate is please do your best. Gambare is do your best. Oh, really? So the te form is a polite version of a command? I didn't know that. I didn't know there was a le. And then the lu form is like a less polite version of mas form. Mostly, I mean, it's just how it's used. Okay, so it's not like a rule. It's just in the zeitgeist or something. All right. All right. It's gotta be a GUI. It's gotta be a freaking GUI. Let's see. Maybe it can just be. Maybe it can be a simpler GUI. Maybe it can just be a simpler GUI. Let me start with the collection that I require. So I need something that represents the collection. So that means I need to make this prefab. Interior prefab, visitor center, info display. Okay. Info placard, I'll call it. Ite kudasai. Please go that way. Or please go. Ite is go. Ike is go. I see. Iki. Wait a minute. Okay, so it's like ikimas is like I will go. And then when you're using it as a command, you get rid of the key. So it's ite or ike. Okay, I didn't know that actually. I'm constantly saying every time I'm like out with my wife, I'm always like ikimasho. And if I start getting like, I'm just like sick of shopping. We've been shopping for hours. I'm just like ikimasho, ikimasho. But you wouldn't say Ike to someone you don't know or something. Yeah, I'll make sure. Please do not teach me anything I shouldn't say to strangers. All right, so this thing needs a bunch of stuff. It needs a box collider. Let's actually pop into it. It needs a box collider that is a trigger. It needs an interactable. Like if you were screaming at someone in a race to like run to the finish line, you will hear them saying Ike, Ike, Ike. Okay. Collider, I hardly knew her. I love it. I love it. Info. Show player interaction help. Examine. Very much Velma. How's it going? Hi. How you doing? All right, so I have an interactable. What does it do? It opens up this new GUI I'm about to make. Hope you don't mind me coming in the chat and being an actual goofball. Very much Velma. I prefer that. I need some energy to feed off of, so goof away. Just keep it safe for work. All right, all right, all right. We need a GUI. We need the GUI. UI. Who should we start with? I guess I can start with. I'll start with the same one I started with last time. Fast travel canvas. This will be visitor center placard canvas. Freedom is not always free and linear. Algebra is not always linear. Wait, what? Well, definitely don't bring everything to a crashing halt either. No, I'm kidding. Placard background. All right, so what do I need here? This is a scroll view. Should it be a scroll view? Also, what is this crap? I hate that. I hate all that, all those bugs that come up. Am I really gonna have descriptions of the photos here? Am I gonna do that? I don't want to write that. I don't want to write the description of all the items that you take photos of here. So maybe I'll just have. Okay, so maybe I won't do a scroll view. It'll just be a description window of the area. Why do I have a description window inside of the larger description window? I don't need that. We're just gonna hide it all. We're gonna hide it all. But I like that. I like the color on that. Let me try that. That's actually very hard to read. So what do I want it to say? I basically want it to be like question mark, question mark, question mark, right? Maybe that's it. Maybe that's all I do. Just a bunch of question marks. It doesn't have to be very big. Let's give it some space and make it a little smaller. Rub what? What up, Rub? Yeah. I'm all twisted and leaning. Thank you. Thank you for the posture check. Let's do a little stretching. I'll sit up. I'll sit up for you. How's it going, Rub? $20, $25, 5, 10. There we go. That feels better. Okay, so the only problem is that if I have more than what fits, then do I dynamically size this window? Guess. Can I? Let's see. Can I just set it to dynamically size? I probably can. With a content size fitor. Vertical preferred. Well, why do you prefer to be that big? Because of this panel that we don't need. There we go. That's it. This is all I want. It's perfect. It's just a little bit of info. Just a little bit of info, you know? This is supposed to be the photos text. Oh, this is Final Fantasy IX. I gotta say, Final Fantasy IX, this is a hot take, but I didn't love that game that much. But the music, oh my god, the music is so killer in every freaking one. Thank you for the follow. There's too much stuff open. Nine was pretty good, but Tactics is where it's at. Oh my god. Tactics. You just mentioned my least favorite Final Fantasy, Code Rad. Yo, how's it going? Killing it with those shorts. Am I? No, I'm not. They're doing terrible. I hate my shorts. You're killing it. I just saw what you were on a giant. You had a giant streamer play your game, didn't you? They keep getting recommended to you? Really? That's weird. That's funny. Yo, congrats. Yeah, I saw on the Discord you pinged everyone and I was like, "Oh shit, I want to watch that." But I was out or sleeping. I was very much not able to. And then when I was finally able to, it was over. How'd that go? I just followed. Don't say that. Yeah, sorry. Tactics was the problem. My problem with Tactics was the battles took 20 whole minutes, and I played it later in life, where my patience was not that my patience was less. I just have less free time. So when a battle takes 20 minutes and I have like 30 minutes to play a game, it's just not happening. Yeah, it was a show where they play 5 games and give money to them. Yeah, that's awesome. That's dope. Congrats. Tactics was so well written. Yeah, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Maybe I'll have to try it again one day. Asmongold, that's what it was. Seemed to like my game. Yeah, that's cool. Yeah, that's awesome. That's some fun stuff right there. I think, isn't there a fest? Isn't there a Steam fest that you should be in soon? Endless Replayability Fest. Are you in that? Starting next week? Also, Fighting Game Fest? No, your game's not fighting game. Use an EMU with speed times 2 or 4. That's actually pretty smart. I mean, I'd have to buy it first. Didn't you join FarmFest? How'd it go? Yeah, it went okay. Went good. Got like a couple hundred wish lists. Let's see. We got about 500. Jesus. 500 wish lists throughout the week, which I only had 1100, so 500 is pretty good. Or no, I got 400? Yeah, 400. Is FarmFest different than SteamFest? Yeah, FarmFest is just a free fest. And you can join it as many times as you want. And it doesn't stop me from joining Next Fest. Yeah, I can still do Next Fest. Code Rad, you should look into the Endless Replayability Fest next week. What are the requirements? Procedural generation, roguelike, that's it. Yeah, next week. Get in there. Games likely to be eligible typically feature mechanics and or elements including this game is significantly different every run. Some part of the game is procedurally generated. So it's not just there are 100,000 weapons and you can pick one for this run. It's that the enemy's maps weapons are actually random every run. It's true, right? Examples of games that may include procedural generation and thus may not be eligible. Deck Builders doesn't count because Deck Builders is already a Deck Builders fest. Games where the procedural generation doesn't affect gameplay. Yeah, this sounds like you're in. You won't have you don't need a demo. It's free and you don't have to do anything. You just get free wish lists. This is 0 point to not do it. Also, the PSP version is optional, although it doesn't have a speed multiplier. It's got a nice added cutscenes. No, you're making it sound worse for me. The reason why I stopped playing Final Fantasy 16 is because there are too many cutscenes. I just wanted to play. I very much am looking forward to playing Rebirth 2, Final Fantasy 7 Rebirth. But I can't play my PlayStation right now. It doesn't come until Thursday. You don't need a demo. No. I mean, if you don't have a demo, you just show up in the upcoming section. And people browse that and wishlist. Seriously, just do it. Just click add me to the fest, and that's it. You're done. You don't have to do anything. You don't even have to you don't have to do any publicity. You're just in it, and people will browse and maybe find you. Don't delay. It's not too much. It's just nice having voiced cutscenes. I guess if you're nostalgic. I did not like 15 and 16 because the writing was boring. Yeah, maybe it was a mixture of the cutscenes being long and the writing being a little boring. I forced myself to play through 15. I did finish it, but 16, I got to a point I just had no interest to go back. But also, working on this makes me not want to play anything, so. Okay, I need a manager for this. I need a script manager. The characters were totally unrelatable. Yeah. I can see that. Where are my scripts? Scripts, UI. I just want like a display menu. Oh, I could just use a description panel. Description panel TMP. Maybe I just inherit from this. Let's see. Visitor center placard panel. Okay, and then all of this is pointless. I just need clear fields. No, I don't even need that. Submitted. Nice. Nice. I hope it doesn't backfire. The only reason I can see to not join is if you don't want an influx of impressions right now, because you'd rather wait. But when would you not want an influx of impressions? At any stage of your process, you're not going to, it's not like you can just do this later. It's now or never. So there's no downside to entering the fest. My Steam page looks really good right now because I fixed it up for this pixel pitch. Well, let me click it. I haven't seen it in a bit. Why am I not following? This is good. This is Code Rad's game that we're watching right now. Let me full screen it. What am I doing? That guy's so creepy. Never seen that NPC before. You know, ever since I moved, I just can't catch your streams anymore. You're like, you stream when I sleep now. I haven't caught one of your streams in maybe like 2 months. I'm rushing to get this demo done while I have interest in the game. Yeah. Don't rush too fast. Ooh, look at that. Asmongold. Is this something you posted? What a life-changing experience. How did they find you? Or did you submit? Nice. Nice. Q1 2025. Soon. You apply on the website, I see. I didn't even know who they were. Very cool. You can link it if you want. I don't even think my game is ready to be played by big streamers. How often do they do this? Did you check out Hades 2 yet? No. I played Hades 1 and it's very good. I just can't. I just can't play games anymore. 1 episode per month. This was 2nd episode. There will be 7. Oh shit. Apply, apply. Go, go, go. What is the name of your game you wish to submit? Alpine Lake. What is the name of your studio? Mossy Grove Games. Please provide a link to your studio's website. www.mossygrovegames.com. Just go straight to the games. In your own words, please share a story of your game. Oh. The more information, the better. Well, at least this thing opens up, right? Hey, Dragon Spirit. Yeah, we're having a good day over here. You had a ton of fun playing Hades 2 yesterday. I looked up some footage of it. I wanted to see what it would look, how different it looked, but it looked exactly the same. What's different? I'm okay with the art style being the same, but like, is there any like new gameplay? Um, it's always so hard to put put it in a category. Is it simulation? No. It's kind of simulation. Other. Alpha. If you selected other, please describe. I don't know. Cozy. Yay, marketing. Sorry, yeah, this is boring. I should be making GUIs. Link to your pitch deck required. Oh, I gotta update my pitch deck. Are you kidding me? And then I gotta send them a Steam key. Farming sim? I mean, I'll just put RPG. You role play. If I put, yeah. Okay, I just need a second to fill this out a certain way. All right, I started the application. I'll finish it. I'll finish it later, maybe tomorrow morning. Thanks for the tip. I have a pitch deck. It's just crazy old. You guys want to see my pitch deck? Let's look at it. I made it a year ago. Oh my god, I made it a whole year ago. This is my pitch deck. Honestly, I can probably just throw this in there. It's fine. These are all the images on my Steam page. Some new features that I think are new. The town, well, the town's a little bare because I don't have decorations in there yet. Player progression. The look. What else? Hiking with your dog. The plot. Who's the game for? Music and audio. Me. Why are you reading this? This is for publishers. That's dog. I'm getting pawed out by that dog right now because she wants dinner. I can probably just bonus slide. I don't even think I've told many people on this stream. I actually made a website that you can upload screenshots of your inn from the game, and it inserts you into a database that's kind of like Airbnb, and every game has their own page, their own Airbnb page that game data gets fed to it. So it has like your average room rating and your rank and all this stuff. If I ever get a publisher, I'm going to make that website. Yeah. I guess I don't really need to update this. I could just send that. I'll just take out the page that says give me money. Give me money. I want money. Oh, I gotta feed the dog. She is being a brat. Here's mine if you need any inspiration. Hells yeah. Let's look at yours. Wait, let me feed the dog. Let me feed the dog. I'll be right back. Everyone, I encourage you to take a break. Go get some water. Okay, we back. Okay, let's set up this GUI and then I can call that feature complete. So what do I need to do? I need a public set description panel. Set panel. Set panel. What do I take? I take a collection. Audio collection? No, I take a... I'll just take a list. List of photos using system.generic. Photograph. So all I need to do, right? I need to grab the message equals for each photograph, photo in photographs. If photo system dot get photo, no, taken, is photo taken, photo is photo taken. Oh wait, it's not just is photo taken, because you can take the photo and the visitor center still won't have the display until the next day. So do I have an intermediate? Subject score, time taken, photo ID, developed. Ah, it's developed. Right? Right? Can develop. Develop photo. So develop photo happens at the beginning of the day, I'm pretty sure. Right? No? What? Where does this get called? Ah, crap. I don't know where this gets called. I don't listen for end of day? Wait a minute. If I run out of the visitor center and run back in, like I thought I listened for I thought it was a next day kind of thing. It's possible that he does it instantly. You just got to leave and come back. Oh, neat games. Thank you for the follow. Sorry I missed that. Oh, doggy. Well, we can examine this now. Let's see. I could go take a photo of a spider and come back. I'll just throw a spider in the game. Or I'll throw a bear in the game. Bear. Because bears are cool. Animal bear. Where is it? That's not a bear. There's nothing. Where's the bear? There it is. What's it doing over there? What are you doing over there? No. You get over here. I have to pause it. There we go. Unpause. And now let's take a photo of it. Okay. It sees that there's a bear there. Oh, and it just ran away, but the visual of the bear was so far away. I wonder why. Whatever. We got the photo. So now if I go to Jeff, capture the wild. Got anything new for me? Yelp. Bear. Pretty. Okay. If I leave and I come back. Oh God. Oh God. No. That's not what's supposed to happen. Oh my God. It's supposed to be a statue. It's not supposed to attack us and then freak out. Where did it even go? Why was it walking? Oh God. So that's okay, so that's what happens. So you know what? We can just use is taken. Or is developed. We'll say is developed. Is photo developed? Wait. Developed photo. Can develop? I don't have an is developed. Weird. I gotta go grab the dog and put a cone on her. She's free right now, and she can't be free. Okay, it's coned. Sorry, doggy. She's very upset right now. All right, I could just do that. If it's developed, then we say message plus equals. What do we say? We just say the photo name, right? Photo dot. Photo dot display name. Else, we say message plus equals question mark. That was simple. We're not done yet. Description text dot text or dot set text. Message? Oh, source text. Clear fields, that's what it is. Clear fields. And then hide unused refresh content. And then the title. I need something for the title. So the description is the message, and the title is the biome, I guess. So I guess I need that. So how am I going to call this thing? I almost need to throw an event or something. I guess, yeah, I need an event. What event should I throw? Let's see. I need a string and a list of photographs. So I kind of need like a photograph collection object. And then the photograph collection, oops, the photograph collection object needs to be broadcast when I interact with the sign so that GUI knows to update. How does the restaurant do it? Restaurant description panel. Interactable event and a restaurant event. Okay. I throw a custom event. All right, so I guess I got to make a new event. That's fine. It's not that hard. This is going to be called the photograph or visitor center event type. It's just going to be a visitor center event. Visitor center event. Why is it upset? Oh, right. Public enum visitor center event type. Say request open. And it's a string, which is the biome name. Public visitor center event type. And then public list photo. Or I should do a collection of objects. That's what I should do. Because it could be, I can have other collected things here. It doesn't have to be specific to, let's just say collection. And then this is the collection name. Okay, I like it being generic. That makes me feel good. All right, is that it? I think we're good. So this description panel now, visitor center placard panel listens for an event. Listener. I always feel like a very professional coder when I make events and type the listeners in, because it's just like autopilot and it makes me go very fast, but it could just copy and paste it. Yeah, I don't have a demo yet either. I have an alpha that I've been giving keys out to people, kind of like you. Although your game is in a much more finished state than mine. Like much more. I'm sprinting to get a demo out by June. Mid-June. It's May 7th already. Holy shit. I'm behind. I'm so behind. I got 500 wish lists from that event. No demo yet. That's really good. Listen. I'm seeing these Twitter posts from people saying, "Oh my god, we just reached 500,000 wish lists. Oh my god, we got 6,000 wish lists. Oh my god, this and that." So I don't know what is good. Honestly, Twitter makes me depressed, but yeah, it's rough out there. I'm trying not to be bitter, you know? I'm happy for the other games. I'm happy that cozy games are doing well, because that's what I want. I want cozy games to do well. So that's that. It's just kind of hard. I'm sure you know the deal. I think if you release a demo in decent state, your daily wish list will go up. I think so. Don't compare yourself to others. I mean, you'd be comparing yourself to me, and that's a losing tactic for you. It's true. That is true. No, you're right. I every time I read those posts, I always say to myself, it's okay. They're on their own path. I'm on my own path. You know, it's fine. Even if I don't get a lot of sales, that's fine. It just means that it wasn't meant to be. It's okay. And if I try my best, maybe something good will happen. Just remember to try your best, and don't just try and make a lot of money. Also, most of these games have zero traction at start, then something happens and boom, traction. That's true. Do you find that big stream was a couple of days ago, right? Maybe a week ago? Are you finding life to be a little different right now? Is more stuff happening? Are you feeling the traction? Like, what's your experience right now? Oh shit, I have to convert this to a list of photographs. This NZ guy, good evening. Good evening indeed. Can you check for a list type? If e.collection, like I know I could say if whatever is. Can I do that? No, it doesn't like that. A couple more stunts like this feels like there's hope now. I mean, you should feel the hope. They chose you. You should feel the hope already. What you working on? Ooh, I'm working on a game called Alpine Lake. It's a cozy Innkeeper-Sim. It's kind of like Stardew Valley and The Sims smushed together. I'm glad someone else suggested the mouse movement thing on Discord because it was on my list. That was a good one. That was a really good suggestion. Excellent suggestion. In fact, I want to add that like soon because I hate the middle mouse click to move. I just put it in there just to have it. But to make it a toggle, that's genius. Can't believe I didn't think of that. Does anybody know how to do this? The given expression is never the provided. Like, is there a way to, I guess I'll just say if collection does not equal null, if e.collection dot length count is greater than 0, if e.collection, and then I can say 0 is photograph, then I can do the thing. It's horrible. It's horrible. Oh, but now I have to so I have to convert it. You know what? Oh my god, this is stupid. This is stupid. I'm just gonna make it a freaking list of photographs until it doesn't have to be anymore. Lots of ifs is how I code. The second I needed to add more than 2, I was like, no, this is wrong. This is better. Just guarantee it to be photographed. Done. Spent the last 4 hours refactoring code, eh? What you working on? I need to figure out dinner too. Does anybody in chat want to tell me what to eat for dinner? I'm building a platform for my 11-year-old son. That sounds fantastic. If you want to share anything, please drop some links. Tacos? No tacos. Pick your favorite Japanese food. And not ramen. You're eating sushi tonight, so I recommend that. I could do sushi. It's hard though. Sushi places for dinner usually need to make a reservation, and I didn't make one. Obviously, and it's already 7. And I want to finish this. All right, so we set the panel. We get the event. So now what we need to do is we need a script that can throw the event based on a collection, right? Ooh, perfect. Okay, so I'm going to make a new scriptable object that's going to be a collection. The event is going to be thrown in that scriptable object. And I'm going to hook it up to my interactable system so that it all happens in the editor. And let's go. Let's do this. So I need a new audio collection. I'll just repurpose this audio collection. I'll call it Visitor Center Collection. Get random clip. No. We don't need any of this. We don't need any of that. Okay. It is basically a It's a list of photograph. Why am I using list? I can use an array, whatever. So it's a visitor center collection, and visitor center collection. Oops, I just wrote visitor collection. Whatever. We got a sushi place super close to where I live, but I doubt it's as good as those in Japan. Depends on where you live. Be super Japanese with natto, rice, and dried seaweed. No, I hate natto. It's gross. Gotta head to sleep. Glad I caught and hope to catch you again. Have a great stream. See you later, team. This ends Z. Have a very good rest of your night. Oh, wait, I missed one. He asked me to make a game, and I had no idea how to do it, so I'm learning. Oh, that's awesome. You're learning from scratch. That's fantastic. Next time you come in here, I want to see screenshots. I want to see concept art from your 11-year-old. Have a good night. Belgium, not really known for sushi. I guess not. Ooh, if I was in Belgium right now, I'd go get some French fries. This guy's... oh my God. That emote. Have a good night. Oh, fuck. Why are you gonna kill the good mood? Right in the middle of laughing. It's like they timed it. I think Belgian food is my favorite out of all the countries I've been to. Damn, that says a lot. I had those a couple of days ago. Nice. I've actually never been to Belgium, but my wife went for work, and she was just like, I ate so many French fries. Also the best beers. Damn. Yeah, I gotta go. I gotta go to Belgium. I don't have to leave right now. All right, so we want a list of photographs. We want a string, public string, collection name. And we want to public void update collection GUI. And then visitor center event dot trigger. Rub! Add me to the alpha. You got it. And for anyone else out there that also wants to be added to the alpha and receive a Steam key right this second, all you got to do is do what Rub did. Rub, are you in the Discord? I think you might be. I had amazing pizza, waffles, fries. Like every restaurant we went to, food was top tier. Nice. You are in the Discord. I remembered, but I still asked because I just didn't want to assume. There you are. I see you. There you go. There's your key. Might be because I was visiting a friend who was from there, so they kind of knew the best places. Yeah, that's how you do it. That's how you do it. Ooh, I had such an incredible waffle here. I went to this. It was just like actually, I think it was a popular place. It was this waffle place that had freshly made Belgian style waffles in ice cream. Oh my God, I got like a strawberry waffle and vanilla ice cream. It was so freaking good. Rub, no, thank you. Thank you for wanting to play an unfinished game. Anyone who wants to play an unfinished game is a damn saint in my book. That's a lot. You don't understand. You might be thinking you're getting a free game, but in reality, you're spending time on something that's not done, which is generous of you. You can very easily not do that and wait, or play a AAA game, or something that a lot of time was put into. So anyone that plays an indie game's or an indie dev's unfinished game is a true saint. So thank you. Those are some of the things we're known for, though, not really pizza. Although I'm pretty close to Italy. We'll get it right. So the event type is a request open. The collection name is collection name, and the collection photographs is photographs. All right, we're almost there. We're almost there. Almost there. Finally, I need to make the scriptable object. Oh, and I need to respond. I need to open the GUI. Excuse me. Maybe the display panel can just open the GUI. Should I just do that? Yeah, let's just do that. Oh wait, this can request it. So GUI event dot trigger request open GUI. We need a new GUI type. This is going to be called the visitor center collection equals 31. I can't believe I have 31 kinds of GUIs. Next time you come, make sure you try fries with stuvlies or mussels. Ooh, yes, I heard the mussels are good. I love me a good pot of mussels and a buttery, garlicky white wine sauce. If that makes me sound pretentious, then I don't give a shit. That's good. All right, so the GUI system. Is it default? Should be just default. Very standard, very regular GUI. Okay. Ooh. Okay, I have a better idea. I have a freaking better idea. What if I design this with a camera move? I can design it with a camera move. And then the GUI it won't live in the center. It kind of live off to the side to focus on what's visible. Oh, that could be fun. Okay. So maybe this can live here. And then, okay, I like this. I like this load scene. So I'll set up a little virtual camera that zooms in right here. Stuvlies is like a kind of beef stew. That sounds really good. That sounds very, very, very good. I'm getting really hungry. Shoot. How long have I been going? 2 hours and 48 minutes? Okay. I need to see when my wife gets out of work so we can go find some dinner. All right, so I need like a virtual camera that turns on and off with this this thing. How am I gonna do that? I guess this thing can control it, but then how do I close it? Ah, crap. I can have a list of standalone virtual cameras that all close when one function is called globally. Oh, or I can have like a trigger, on trigger enter and an on trigger exit. So when you get close to this, it just zooms in anyway. And then when you walk away, it leaves. Oh yeah, I like that better. All right. I just got word. I'm gonna go eat dinner. So we're gonna find someone to raid. But I like the progress that happened today. It's gonna be good. It's gonna add a nice level of complexity, and hopefully the as the collection grows, you'll feel like you'll want to keep growing it as this thing gets built out. And there's going to be like 6 or 7 different rooms with different biomes. Good game. Good game to you. It's looking great so far. I appreciate it. Let's find someone to raid. Let's have a nice... Let's end strong. Where should we go? Who's on? I don't know where to go. I never know where to go. Practical? Yeah, I could go to Practical. I don't know Omni. I might go to Beegs. I think I went to Practical last week, and I went to Beegs 2 weeks ago. So I might go back to Beegs. RPG World Boss. RPG Community Bot? No, we don't go to bots. There actually are a lot of people to choose from right now. It's frustrating. I'm gonna go to Beegs. We're gonna go to Beegs. Code Red, do you know Beegs? He's wonderful. Anyway, thanks for hanging out with me today. Got a lot done. This always happens. I'm always in such a cranky mood, and I'm like, do I really want to stream today? I'm not in the mood. And then 5 minutes in, you guys put me in a good mood. So I appreciate it. I'm in a great mood now. Darkwood, Code Red, Kara's Hest. Take it easy. Rub. Thank you for grabbing that key. And everyone else, thanks for hanging, and I will be back tomorrow.